Hey guys, I am back with an unboxing. I have the brand new January 2024 Shimmerz Colors Kit, Color Kits, the Color Kits collections. So I have got the paper kits, I have got the mixed media kits, goodies, as well as the bonus bundles. So let's jump right in. I want to show you, what do I want to show you first? Let me show you the mixed media goodies. Okay, so I will scooch this aside. So what we have here, the top is everything that's in the color kits, and they're still a little bit wet, so you have to bear with me. The very first one, it is a color splash, a nice liquid. It's called Black Hole, and it is nice and inky dark. Love that. The next one, it is a spritz in cotton candy, and it's a fabulous, like mid-tone. It's a total cotton candy pink. It's the perfect name for it. Then I have got a colorings in Rose to the Occasion, which is a cute name. Next, a nice bright yellow. It is a Shimmerz, so the liquid is already in there as well. And guys, look at that little sparkly, pearly goodness. It is in Bumbly Bee. And then finally, I have It's Mint to Be. It's a Shimmerz as well. Gorgeous tone. We have got a great color story to work with. So gorgeous. Then for the bonus bundle, I've got a Shimmerz as well in Pull Me Close. That's quite wet, but you're still going to get that gorgeous, like metallic-y, not metallic, it's all shimmery. It's shimmersy. So we have that for the bonus bundle and Pull Me Close. So look at that color story. I am so excited to get into all kinds of bright, happy colors. Now, the sequins that come with this, guys, let me show you. I'm going to pour it out into my little tray. Let me show you, because I'm going to be working with these goodies in like 2 seconds. You guys, look at this. There are little flowers. Look at the little petals. Look at them. They're so cute. And then there's like these little clay bits of flowers. So super cute, incredibly gorgeous. It's like little embellishments in a sequin little pack. So that's awesome. That's for the bonus bundle. Phew. Now there's also a cut file this month, which I still have to cut out. It looks like a planner, and I have so much, I have an idea to go with it, and I can't wait. And I'm going to be cutting it out in a second and working with it. You'll see it in my layout 1 for this kit, but so excited. But it's like this cute little planner thing. Okay. I'm going to put the goodies to the side and we'll get right into the papers. So let's see what we have. So we already saw what our color story is. If you see the palette here, that's totally telling our color story. So our first piece, we've got the alphabet going on this gorgeous pink. It's like, seriously guys, look at that. For cotton candy. Actually, when it comes out, it's more like Rose to the Occasion when it dries. Yeah, I'd say it's more like Rose to the Occasion. So super gorgeous pink with capital alphas. And then we've got an inky black, just like the Black Hole color, but we've got like boho rainbows. These look like great embellishments. So if you've got a little bit left over, totally make an embellishment with that or use it for an embellishment. The next one we have, it's a gorgeous kind of wonky grid, nice thick lines on that, which I think is super fun. Oh, and the back side, it's a really deeply saturated Bumbly Bee yellow with a little touch of an orange in it and wonky flowers. Now we've got a white background with little black triangles, super crisp and really easy to use for a background or mixed media. Oh, but we've got a diagonal stripe. So yeah, let me just tell you that this is going to be a mat for something, because that's my favorite thing to do with a diagonal stripe, just like that. It's going to be adorable. Love that. All right, so the next one, we've got a nice light pink, like the cotton candy pink with like scribbly hearts. Super pretty, easy to use as a background because it's soft. Ooh, and now we've got kind of a wonky hand-drawn grid again, but this is going a little deeper into the pink, like Rose to the Occasion. Cute. Oh, look at this one. They look like sprinkles or jimmies or whatever they call them where you're from. Look at like little like sprinkles that go on an ice cream cone or on cupcakes. Cute. Ooh, and the flip side, it's a tone on tone. It's totally working with like the Pull Me Close, or It's Meant to Be. And it's kind of like a Harlequin kind of a diamond. Now we have got a white background with scribbly black. Once again, really great and easy to use for a background. Love that. It got so dark. We're having a thunderstorm, guys. Oh, this is gorgeous, guys. So this is like It's Meant to Be, and the hearts on it are just like separated out more, and then there's little tiny polka dots. So cute. And okay, so we've got a bit of a vanilla background here, and we've got the florals going. Oh, let me hold it like this. Do you guys see the itty bitty sweet little hearts on there? Oh, that's so cute. These would be even cute, like if you have like a little scrap left over, to fussy cut a few of those pieces out as like little finishing touches. Oh, and then big, like wonky stars. Those are cute. Yeah, I totally want to fussy cut out things from both sides there. Cute. Oh, this one's going to be fun. So bright, crisp white background with really inky black centers. Those are cool. So it looks like you put a cup down. Very cool. Oh, it's such a bummer because I like both sides. Okay, so we've got that gorgeous rose to the occasion, and it's going into the It's Meant to Be on the sides. Super gorgeous. Love that. And then for our last paper, we've got this nice white background. It looks like, you know, the idea like there's little pieces of grass and these sweet, happy little flowers. And then, oh, this is cute. What was the nicest thing I did for someone else this year who had the biggest impact on my life this year? I'm proud of myself for. My goals for the new year are. That's so cute. So those are our papers. And then, oh, but wait, there's the cutest little tiny gold clip holding these little papers together. So we've got some pieces that you can cut apart. A new chapter, new beginnings, goals, smile, breathe, change is good, dream big. Then this little piece, Monday favorite moment, Tuesday, Wednesday. So you can totally do this really cute planner spread. And then my goals for this year, my favorite memory from last year, the biggest challenge I can overcome, my goals for this year, my favorite memory from last year. These are so cute, and I love that font. It's whimsical and sweet all at once. Love that. So we've got these 3 little cut apart pieces as well. I'm actually going to use that gold clip. I don't know if we're supposed to, but that'll get done. Now for the dots, we've got Hello January, this cute little star and a speech bubble with a heart. So cute. Love that. Okay, we have that. Our stickers, we've got happy days, love, fun, life is good, goals. We've got, are these separate or are they all one? I'm looking at these yellow pieces. Okay, those are all, you know, cut together, kiss cut together, but you can always separate them, of course. And we've got a loop-de-loop for a little arrow, and then these sweet little flowers. I love the graphic arts kind of vibe that we have. And then, oh, but wait, let me get a little bin that these can drop right into as I take them out. Our embellishments are all cut out for us. We have got to do. We have got happy, a great little floral, little snowflake, a button, fearless, a nice little journaling spot, chase goals, I am capable, another cute button, a star, small steps every day. So these, it looked like a fence at first. My gosh, there we go. It looked like a fence at first, but you've got these little bits that you can journal on. How stinking cute is that coffee? That's so cute. A little star. Oh, is that a clock? It might be a clock. I'm not sure. We'll see. Today I choose joy. Another button. So they've got these cute little button pieces. A nice little really inky black spot. I am enough. Look at the little happy emoji. Smiley. A paper clip. Be happy. Reminder. a nice little vase, arrow, another arrow, a little bit more dramatic pink, little black and white hearts, find a reason to smile. Then we've got this floral, and there's that cute little shadow with it. Another floral, another floral. Oh, but wait, a floral. Hello, winter. We did have a snowflake in there, so if you wanted to go wintry. Hello, January. How cute. New year, new plans. Guys, what is with, look at how bright that light is going. But new year, new plans. So they are super cute. Great kit. I can't wait to get creating. I'm so excited to have all of this bright, like we have the yellows and the bright pinks and the color with the graphic art. So super great January kits. I can't wait to get crafting, and I'm going to see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.